Well, the nation is turning red for American Heart Month this Money Monday. And did you know that 1 in 4 babies will be born with a heart defect? It is a statistic that Kyle Wingfield of Finley Alexander Wealth Management knows all too well. Kyle, welcome.
Hey, how are you?
I'm happy to have you here. So, as I understand it, you were one of those miracle babies. Can you share your story with us?
Yeah, so I was born September 14th, 1978, with something they call total anomalous pulmonary venous return or venous drainage, TAPVD or PVR. And the prognosis wasn't the most positive after having open heart surgery at 3 weeks old. But here I am today, alive, well, happy, and grateful.
Yes, and the father of a third son recently too. So,
Yeah. So definitely overjoyed, and plenty of motivation to be here for another 40 plus, 50 plus years.
and I appreciate you being so forthcoming with your story because after that, that wasn't the only thing that you had to surpass. So you defied all the odds and continue to grow and succeed. And you're super tall.
Yeah,
Grow and
yeah.
grow and grow. But then that new challenge arose and it was not health related. Tell us what that was.
So the new challenge, obviously, you have health history, and I think the challenge arose when I met the love of my life, and I started wanting to make sure she's taken care of, and then I wasn't going to be here, and so I was trying to get life insurance, and I remember the constant rejections and wondering if I could be underwritten, and lo and behold, a couple of years later, I was able to get underwritten, and I went out and got as much life insurance as I could possibly get my hands on. And I love it because life insurance is the one product that what you want to happen will happen, even in the event you're not here. And it's one of those awesome products that you can. It's a love letter. It's a love letter that to the people that you care about, the places you care about. Because when you're gone, and then that's there, that's awesome. And so many people have questions like, "What's the best kind of life insurance?" And my response is the kind that's enforced on the day that you die.
Right.
That's the best kind.
Absolutely. And it seems like many adults face this challenge with getting life insurance once they experience any sort of health crisis.
Yeah, they do. Like if you have a pre-existing condition, you might have successfully beat cancer. Everyone says they're a cancer survivor. You are, but you beat it and you're here. And then they get nervous and anxious. They're like, I wonder if I can get life insurance. And you'll find that a lot of life insurance carriers have progressive underwriting terms. And so my whole encouragement is to just go out there and find out what are the underwriting guidelines for you. You don't know unless you try. Don't automatically say, well, I guess I'm not going to get it. You'd be surprised how you can be underwritten and based on whatever your diagnosis or prognosis is. And so just try. You don't know unless you try.
And I love that you call it a love letter. Take care of your loved ones. Kyle Wingfield, where can people go to follow up with you about this and other wealth management topics?
FinleyAlexander.com. I would encourage them. We're having a number of webinars throughout the month of February. So you'll be able to see that when you go to the homepage. Just click and join us on one of those webinars and get your questions answered. And you can't learn less, as my mom would say.
All right, Kyle, thanks so much. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.